The Getz was developed at Hyundai's new design studio in Frankfurt. A real Euro is minted from Korean metal. Clean lines, transparent headlights with polycarbonate caps, expressive bumpers. The interior is designed in a businesslike, laconic style. The fact that the materials are by no means the most expensive is successfully masked by their different textures. And the center console itself is slightly turned towards the driver. Isn't it a hint that Getz is a driver's saga? The 12-valve 1.3 engine accelerates Getz without a bravura pickup, but confidently and smoothly. The engine declares itself with a loud baritone only during active acceleration, and at speeds of 120 to 140 km/h it does not protrude from the general background noise. The suspension works well on bumps, aerodynamic noise is not audible. Low steering sensitivity and stable reactions allow you to drive in the city without any stress for the driver. But if a dog jumps out onto the road or, God forbid, a man, steering sensitivity is no longer enough to avoid sudden obstacles. To dodge, the steering wheel must be turned very quickly, first more than half a turn in one direction, and then in the other. Pretty healing, Getz still performs the maneuver with almost no loss of directional stability. But the driver was pretty tensed. In tight corners, the little Hyundai is quite reliable. It reacts smoothly to steering turns, but it keeps its trajectory confidently, showing only a slight diagonal buildup. What if it's faster? Getz first slides smoothly out of the turn with the front wheels, then with all four, after which it goes into a light skid. Everything is correct. At any of these stages, even an unprepared driver can easily restore the status quo. So in general, Getz is perceived as quite a reliable car to drive. And the brakes are good. The exact calculation of the stopping distance turns out to be a simple and pleasant thing.